I believe it was Socrates that once asked, which came first, the chicken or the curry? For centuries, there has been debates on the nomenclature of certain phenomenon, and even on the many great accomplishments of men. That is why, this week, I will not ask you to subscribe. But many a men have died for less. Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of One Plate Gourmet. And yes, what a week it has been indeed. My birthday was just this past week and I feel good. So nothing starts off the week better like some good old-fashioned curry. So let's get started, shall we? Scallions, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 body part of ginger, a handful of cilantro, roughly chopped, turmeric, curry powder, ground cumin, cinnamon, coriander seeds, cayenne pepper, heavy cream, tomato paste, and chicken breast cutlets. Let's start by grinding down our coriander seeds to dust in a pestle and mortar. Or you can just find pre-grinded coriander, but hey, do some work, justify your old man's pay. Next, we'll take our garlic and mince it into not so minced pieces. We want them small enough to not stand out but be sizable enough to give a texture to our sauce. For our ginger, we want the same, so cut in 2 and then slice those into thin strips and proceed to mince. We want a similar size to that of our garlic counterpart. Now for our scallions or green onions, we want them in slightly larger cuts than the garlic and ginger. We'll use them as a base for flavoring in our curry, which will take on a more Indian tone chicken curry type of curry. Lastly, we are just going to cut up our chicken cutlets into smaller manageable cutlets because yeah, and of course boneless chicken is preferred because who wants to have bones in their curry anyway? I mean, if you do, then you probably also like mint chocolate, but hey, we're all going somewhere after this life, right? Season with salt and pepper ever so generously, and then just lightly toss our chicken, making sure to coat everything evenly. In a pan over medium-low heat, use some oil and just lightly sweat out our GGS base for about 5 minutes. Then add in our tomato paste with about a cup of water or stock. Mix this together till the tomato paste looks somewhat homogeneous before introducing in another cup of water or stock. Do take note, you can use crushed tomatoes in place of the paste, and if so, skip the water step entirely and stir till you get a consistency that looks just like this. In goes the turmeric, curry powder, ground cumin, cinnamon, coriander, and cayenne pepper, aka your dries, and mix them in till the sweet scent of curry fills the air. The real secret ingredient to this is, of course, all of your hard work. Now introduce your chicken to the mix and simmer till it's just about cooked through, or about 10 minutes or so. Start to wonder why your curry doesn't yet look like the ones you've seen on TV or in restaurants. Don't worry, just add in your cilantro, roughly chopped of course, and with a sweet follow-up by the heavy cream. Mix this thoroughly and let simmer till your chicken is fully cooked, which could take about 5 more minutes or until desired doneness. And season lastly to taste with salt and pepper of course. Now, go ahead and enjoy your curry with a side of rice or maybe some pita bread. It's up to you really. I'm on keto, so I can't really have rice or bread or anything good for that fact. So please enjoy. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Like always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. If you'd like to see the trailer for this episode, click somewhere on screen. It's probably going to be the same place it's always been. But thanks for watching.